Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay, so my iPod is low on battery. Hi, Vita Day 2. Look who's with me, friends.
I get to be in Amanda's vlog!
Yay!
Yay! It's 10:21 and Amanda hasn't made her vlog yet.
Huh? Nope. Yeah, this is just gonna be a short, like, hey, I forgot. Here's a video.
We've been getting up. Hey, it's okay. We've been getting chapel credits. It's great.
We've been getting credit with the Lord. I don't think that actually matters to him.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
I don't think that matters
Right?
at all. But yeah.
No,
And we went
Jesus
thrift store
takes-
shopping.
Everything so
Kind of.
seriously.
Yeah!
Thrift store haul. OMG.
Sorry.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
No, not really.
Crazy.
Hi, thingy.
Yeah,
Hey.
it's like right in front of my face. It's like one of those little things that like blocks
Same
someone's
thingy
face.
in my head.
You can like hide behind it.
But,
No,
but
it's
hey,
like
hey
when
guys,
the Pokemon
hey
are hiding
guys,
in the grass.
Yes.
what are we inside of?
We're inside of
the truck.
Amanda's truck. Yeah.
Yay! And I named it. And its name is Elric Nissan. Ha ha ha. Hopefully people get that. I don't know if they will.
Maybe.
Maybe, hopefully.
Anyways,
Look it up. The internet's magical.
yay, look it up. Elric. Elric. Yeah, yeah. And it's a Nissan, so it is Elric Nissan. Ah. Anyways, yeah, I don't have anything else to say.
Yeah, life
Yeah.
goes on.
Yeah.
Vlogging. Amanda's being awesome and doing Vita.
And almost forgetting, but hey, video.
She remembered eventually.
And it's only like 2 minutes long almost, but yeah. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow.
Homework
Yeah.
time.
Don't remind me. Save me.
Nope.
Bye.
Bye.
Meow.